Hello, this is Lefty Chris, and today I'm going to make a GoPlugin node using the latest scripts and GitHub pages. My previous node videos were good, but there are some issues that I need to clear up, so we're going to get started. I'll put the links of the GitHub pages in the description on my YouTube video. Okay, so let's log into our VPS. I'm going to change the appearance to 16 to make this as clear as possible. Okay, and so now we're going to use the setup a plugin node script, the GitHub page. We're going to use number 1. So I just copied and paste. For this video, we're going to actually skip number 2. Usually I would make a new admin user account, but to make this process quicker, we're just going to stay in root this time. So we're going to go straight to number 4. So copy, paste, press enter. And now we should be ready for number 5. We will go straight to 5. All right, now we're back from step 5. I expanded the VPS screen. We need to copy this information, and then we need to open a notepad or a text editor, and we can paste it. You can see that this section here, even though it's spread out, you can see that there is an issue. Post localhost connection refused. We're going to delete this, and then let's actually delete these here. So one issue that I'm seeing is I'm not getting a regular address, and when I copy the node GUI and I open a new tab, the site cannot be reached. So the way we can fix this is we go to this GitHub page, which is the ply_rpc page, and this page should help with the RPC and WS endpoints. So we need to run this script. Now we can choose between numbers 1 through 4. I'm going to choose number 3. Press enter. And then we need to refresh your local repo. So let's copy and then let's paste. And then when you see the chmod, press enter. Now let's go back to the node GUI page. Let's press enter and we can go to advanced, proceed. All right, and now we're in. So next, let's go ahead and log in. We're going to go to keys. We're going to scroll down to regular, copy the address. Now let's send some tokens. We're going to send 1 XDC asset to the node. We're going to send 1 plugin token to the node as well. All right, there we go. Now let's go to XDC Remix. we're going to use, let's actually go back to the GitHub page. We're going to scroll down to number 8. We can click on the deployment page and let's scroll down. We need the deploy your own Oracle contract. So it's number 1. We can copy and then we can go and paste it to this page here. Mind you, you have to make a new file and then create the file. I already have it. So next, we're going to go to environment, change that to injected web3. This is my address. And then we need the contract. Actually, my mistake. So we actually need to compile first. So let's go to 0.4.24, compile, then go to environment injected web3. And now we have the contract and we need to deploy the smart contract address. So we're going to go to GoPlugin.co, copy, and then we're going to paste. You want to change the XDC to 0x. Okay. We're looking for the set fulfillment permission. We need to go back to our node, go to keys, scroll down, grab the regular address, go back to remix, set fulfillment. We need to paste, type comma, type true, and then click on set fulfillment, submit. Now we click on the arrow next to debug. There are 2 debugs. You want the later debug. So we're going to scroll down until you get to 2, copy, and then we're going to go back to our notepad. And this is the Oracle contract address, or OCA. We're going to paste. And now we're going to go to, what page is that? Oh, let's go back. Okay, so now we're going to go to number 9. We need to copy, and then we can paste into our VPS. Press enter. Let's go to number 10. Copy, and then paste. Press enter. It's asking for the Oracle contract address. So now let's copy, and then let's actually make this a little smaller. There we go. Oracle contract address. We're going to paste it. Press enter. Okay, so now this is the current issue that many individuals are having. And so what's going on is that there is what they call a parse response error. The external initiator is not found. So we need to solve that issue. So what we can do is we can go to another GitHub page where we perform the restore. Is basically the performing backup and restore for the plugin node. We're going to go all the way down to the restore. Let's copy, and then we're going to paste. Press enter. We are going to do number 2, which is rebuild. Okay, so we rebuilt the external initiator. Now let's try number 10 again. And I do not expect it to work. Okay, so now we're receiving the 500 internal server error. That is perfectly fine. We need to go back to the apply underscore RPC and we run the script one more time. Select number 3 once more, press enter. Now we need to refresh the local repo, press enter, and then let's run the alarm test again. Copy your Oracle contract address, paste, press enter. All right, well, there you go. It fixed your problem. The alarm clock sample job ID is present, and we can also see the sample job ID in the node. We can go to jobs and we have the ID E9B2, E9B2. Okay, so you see that you have the alarm clock sample job ID. Next, let's go back to number 8 and click on the Remix Oracle deployment. We're going to go to testing where you see it says Oracle. Now, let's run the alarm test. I know it's been a while for some people, but let's do it again. So now, let's copy and then we'll go to Remix once more. Contracts, we're going to create a new file, and I actually already have it in place, so I do not need to paste. But it's 51 lines of code. So what we need to do is we need to change line 21 and 22. So line 21 is the Oracle. So let's go back to our notepad, copy, and then paste the Oracle contract address. And then job ID, we're going to use the job ID that we just received, which is the E9B2, copy. And then we're going to paste that into line 22. Now we can compile. You're going to receive a warning, but that's okay. Environment, injected web 3, account. We're in our account. Deploy, not just yet. Remember, you need the smart contract address from GoPlugin.co. So we're going to copy. We're going to paste, and then we're going to change the XDC to 0x. Deploy, submit. All right, now we're going to copy where it says alarm clock sample. We need to go ahead and copy this portion here. We're going to send 0.1 apply to this address. Let's expand the alarm clock sample, and then where it says request alarm, type in the number 2, click on request alarm, and then submit. Now let's go back to the plugin node, go to jobs, okay, go to runs. Let's click on the run. And so far, so good. We're just waiting on external and ETH-TX. All right, the run is complete. The alarm sample job is complete. So this entire process, it showed you how to make the node as well as how to run the alarm job. We went through 3 GitHub pages, and really you you need the setting up a apply node GitHub page. You really only need one command from the backup and restore, and that's just the apply node restore, the in place restore, apply node restore, and then the apply underscore RPC. We use this 2 times. We use this and this twice.